Standard 7th. Subject is Applied English. Students, you all know that we have completed those 2 chapters, but we will revise it because your exam is going to be held on last to second paper, I think, is there in your Applied English. So we have 3 parts in Applied English. In first, here is your paper style. That part 1 is the listen to the following audio and answer the questions. Means તમને ઓડિયો આવશે એના તમારા ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર લખવાના રહેશે. ઓનલી ધીસ પાર્ટ 10 માર્ક્સ ઇઝ રિટર્ન ઓનલી. આ એકલી જ એટલું છે કે જે આપણે રિટર્ન કરવાનું છે, બાકી બધું આપણે ઓડિયો થ્રુ કરવાનું છે. લિસન, સેકન્ડ પાર્ટમાં છે ક્વેશ્ચન પાર્ટ 2A. Pronounce the following words properly and record them and send it to the respective teacher. તો તમારે શું કરવાનું છે, આમાં વર્ડ્સ આપેલા હશે ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરમાં, એ વર્ડ્સ તમારે કરેક્ટ પ્રનાઉન્સ કરવાનું છે અને રેકોર્ડ કરવાની અને મને મોકલવાનું રહેશે. સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ બી, read the following tongue twister properly and record them and send it to the respective teacher. કે આપણે ટંગ ટ્વિસ્ટર આવશે અને એ ટંગ ટ્વિસ્ટરને પણ તમારે રેકોર્ડ કરવાનું છે અને એ તમારે મોકલવાનું રહેશે એકદમ પ્રોપરલી. ટંગ ટ્વિસ્ટર હશે યાની કે સિમિલર વર્ડ સાઉન્ડ હશે પણ એને પ્રોપર એનો કયો પ્રનાઉન્સ છે એ કરીને આપણને મોકલવાનું છે. ઓકે, પીટર પીકર આપણે જોયું તો એક એક્ઝામ્પલ એવું છે. એવી રીતે બધા ટંગ ટ્વિસ્ટર હશે, એ પણ 10 માર્ક્સના છે, તો એ પણ તમારે રેકોર્ડ કરીને મોકલવાના રહેશે. પાર્ટ 3 જે છે આપણું વિડીયો કોલ ચાલે છે, એ જે વિડીયો કોલ થ્રુ હું તમારું ઓરલ લઉં છું એના 20 માર્ક્સ છે અને આ ઉપરના પેપરના 30 માર્ક્સ છે. તો આપણે ફરીથી આજે પેપર રિવાઇઝ કરીએ છીએ, આપણે બુક થ્રુ રિવાઇઝ કરીએ છીએ જે આપણી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં છે તે. ઓકે, ઓડિયો સાંભળી એના ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર અને વર્ડ સાંભળી એના પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન રિપીટ કરવાના છે તે, બરાબર. સો લેટ્સ સી ધ ઓડિયો એન્ડ ઓલ ધ ચેપ્ટર્સ રિવિઝન. અગેન વી વિલ સી ધ રિવિઝન ઓફ ધ ચેપ્ટર્સ. And we have syllabus, chapter in syllabus, chapter number 1 and 2 only. Okay, remember this, chapter 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, here we will learn first of all the greeting when Sachin and Sahil meet. So let's see the conversation between Sachin and Sahil. Hi Sahil, long time no see. Hi Sachin, yeah, it's been a while. How are you? Sachin said, I am pretty well. How about you? I am fine too. Sorry, I need to run an errand for my mother right now. Let's catch up later. Sure, let's meet on Sunday afternoon. Perfect. See you on Sunday afternoon then. Bye. See, in the conversation you can understand that one expression he used, that long time no see. That means આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કહીએ છીએ કે કેટલા દિવસ થયા તને મળ્યા નહીં. So like this, long time no see. And another expression you can see in this conversation that he used, that is let's catch up later. Let's catch up later means catch up કરીએ પછીથી એમ. No, that means એનો મતલબ શું થયું કે ફરીથી આપણે મળીએ. તો let's catch up later આવા એક્સપ્રેશન એ યુઝ કરે છે ગ્રીટિંગ્સમાં, રાઈટ? So you can use like this in your conversation also, these kinds of expression. Okay, so understood? Another topic is that track 1, you have to listen the track and you have to complete this dialogue activity. And in examination also you will have audio clip and question answers, right? So listen this track again and complete your, if your dialogue writing is not completed, then complete your dialogue activity. Okay.
Listen to a conversation between Sudhir and Deepa and complete the dialogue.
Hello Deepa, long time no see. Where have you been?
Hello Sudhir, how are you? Yes, I have been busy recently. My family is moving to Kerala.
I see. Have you got transferred there?
Yes, I have been promoted to a senior position in Kochi. My family decided to move with me.
Congratulations. When are you shifting?
I must join the new office on 1st December, so we plan to reach Kochi a week before that.
Okay. All the best, Deepa.
Thank you, Sudhir. I should go now. I need to do a lot of things.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Another activity same, that is listen to some common expression we use when we meet our friends, then tick the correct expression. So you have to listen this track, and when you are meeting with your friend, so which expression you will use, so you have to listen and choose one correct one. Okay, hi, my name is Paki, it's nice to meet you. Okay, એવી રીતે બધામાંથી તમારે ટ્રેક લિસન કરી ને કરેક્ટ કરવાનું.
Listen to some common expressions we use when we meet our friends. Then tick the correct expressions.
Hi, my name is Paki. It's nice to meet you. It's good to see you. How are things? I missed you. Long time no see.
Say hello to Sasha for me. I haven't seen her for a long time.
Pia, I haven't seen you for a long time. How have you been?
Hi, Manan. It's good to see you after such a long time. Do you come to this gym daily?
Here we have the speaking and practicing. Work in pairs. Imagine that you are meeting one of your school friends after several years. You are very happy to see him or her. Enact the situation. So see, example is given in examination also. These kinds of situation will be there. So imagine that you are meeting one of your school friends after several years. So how can you greet with them? How can you talk with him or her? તો એવું એક ડાયલોગ ફોર્મ કરવાનું છે અને એની એક્ટિવિટી તમારે રેકોર્ડ કરીને મીન્સ ડાયલોગ ફોર્મ કરી અહીંયા તો વર્ક ઇન પેર્સ કીધું છે, બટ ઇન એક્ઝામિનેશન યુ હેવ ટુ ડુ બાય યોર સેલ્ફ ઓલ્સો. યુ હેવ ટુ ઇનેક્ટ બોથ characters dialogue by yourself only, and you have to record your audio of that conversation. Okay, the situation is already given by the teacher, and you have to give the answer. You have to make a form, a dialogue, and then you have to enact with it. Okay, so this is one example of the situation. Now here we have the interesting language points. What we have? Interesting language points. So which kinds of language points are given? Expressions are given here. What expression? So how can you use in your talking? That expression is given here. For example, you can use in talking that તમે મળ્યા છો કોઈને તો તમે કેવી રીતે બોલી શકો છો? તો કે it's so good to see you. It's so good to meet you. How have you been? How are you doing? Long time no see. It's been so long. How are things? How is everything? What have you been doing? These kinds of expression you can use in your conversation. Okay, see, તમારે ડાયલોગ ફોર્મ કરવાનું છે, એમાં પણ તમારે આવા એક્સપ્રેશન યુઝ કરવાના છે જેનાથી તમારું ડાયલોગ એન્ડ કન્વર્ઝેશન ઇમ્પ્રેસિવ લાગે. ઓકે, this is for you, not for your examination. This is for you for your lifetime. Okay, how can you speak? How can you express? Then next is work it with partner and practice the following expression. Now see, અહીંયા આપણે એક્સપ્રેશન આપેલા છે, પાર્ટનર તો બી હોય નહીં ઘરે, પણ આપણે જાતે કરવાનું છે કે એક્સપ્રેશન આપણે જોવાના છે. અહીંયા સાંભળો, ઇનફોર્મલ ગ્રીટિંગ્સ કે આપણે કોઈને મળ્યા છે ફ્રેન્ડને, તો આપણે કેવી રીતે એની જોડે વાત કરી શકીએ, એની જોડે એક્સપ્રેશન કેવી રીતે યુઝ કરી શકીએ, કેવી ગ્રીટિંગ્સમાં આપણે બોલી શકીએ તે આપણે શીખવાનું છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, આપણે ફ્રેન્ડને મળીએ, સો હાય, હાઉઝ લાઈફ? Great, what about yours? Hey, what's new? Nothing much. What about you? Hi, how's everything? Everything's fine, thanks. It's good to see you. Same here. How are you? See, આવી રીતે આપણે યુઝ કરી શકીએ આપણા એક્સપ્રેશન્સ આપણી કન્વર્ઝેશનમાં. ઓકે, સો લર્ન ધીસ ઓલ્સો. Now next we will see that is saying it right, means you will have listening track and you will have the video also, how to speak, how to use lip sync and all, how we have to pronunciate it. Okay, so listen the words and do both the activities. Okay,
Listen to some words, repeat them and write them in the correct columns.
Band, pan, base, pace, bear, pair, book, bomb, pepper, party, bread, pet.
Listen and repeat the words correctly. Also, put the words in the correct columns.
3, 3, tin, fin, bat, tie, thorn, torn, thief, oath, oat, think, thank, tang, true, through.
Listen to some words, repeat them and write them in the correct columns.
Band, pan, base, pace, bear, pear, book, bomb, pepper, party, bread, pet.
Listen and repeat the words correctly. Also put the words in the correct columns.
3, 3, tin, fin, bat, tie, thorn, torn, thief, oath, oat, think, thank, tang, true, through.
In examination also you will have some words. You have to listen words and then you have to repeat it and audio clip બનાવીને આપણે મોકલવાની છે. In examination you will have words and you will have audio of that words and then you have to listen correct and you have to repeat it and record it and then audio you have to send it to me. Okay, in examination also you have to do these kinds of activity. Now we will see the next activities that say aloud, listen the sentences. Now here sentences are given. So in the sentences, whichever the word are unstressed word, we can say that you have to underline. Okay, and listen the track and do this activity.
Listen to the sentences. Then say them aloud. Which of the words in these sentences are unstressed?
Mum and Dad went back to Delhi.
Listen to the following conversation. Then work with a partner and practice it.
Hello, Ravina. It's nice to catch up with you after such a long time. Hello, Parul. The pleasure is mine. I think we should go out for lunch someday. That would be great. What place do you suggest? How about Big Tummy? That sounds good. All right. Does Saturday suit you? Yes, that's fine. Okay, catch you later then. Bye. Bye.
This is for you to practice that how can you talk with someone, how can you use your expressions in your talking. Okay, so see, Parul and Ravina both are talking. Listen the track and do the practice of how they are speaking, how they are using stress and unstressed on the word, and then you have to do by yourself like this and repeat it again and again. Okay, so listen the track.
Listen to the following conversation. Then work with a partner and practice it.
Hello, Ravina. It's nice to catch up with you after such a long time. Hello, Parul. The pleasure is mine. I think we should go out for lunch someday. That would be great. What place do you suggest? How about Big Tummy? That sounds good. All right. Does Saturday suit you? Yes, that's fine. Okay, catch you later then. Bye. Bye.